Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few fast food hacks from Instagram sent by you all and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @hungerplans. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. The first hack is sent by Sia Vyas. I wanted to try this fried burger since ages, so today finally let's give it a try. For that I ordered Aloo Tikki burger from McDonald's. Clearly our burger is smaller in size and doesn't have as many veggies as their video, but it's fine. First I'm going to crush one packet of Blue Lays, that is the magic masala flavor. Now I'm going to pour corn flour and maida slurry over the burger. Coat it with crushed Lays. Give a nice even coating. Now I'm going to shallow fry it from all the sides until it's nice and golden brown. Flip it midway and you're done. I served it with fries. Let's cut and taste it. It's extra crispy from the outside but not at all soft from the inside. I can't taste the Lays at all. Also the burger has become very dry. It should have been more saucy. The patty also doesn't taste like aloo at all. In fact, it tastes like mutter, that is peas patty rather than being a aloo patty, which is actually not the hack's fault. But I guess the hack made the burger very dry. So for me, honestly, the hack isn't working and it was busted. The next hack is sent by Faiza Maria. For that, I have one medium-sized fries, again from McDonald's. Yeah, actually fast food hacks come or McDonald's hack ज़्यादा लग रहा है मुझे, but it's fine. Roughly, I'm going to cut these fries. Now I have one breakfast chicken sausage. Poke a skewer stick into it. Then I'm applying a thick layer of mozzarella cheese. First I thought we have to melt the cheese and then apply it, but it's working fine with soft room temperature cheese as well. Then I'm going to dust it with all-purpose flour, that is maida. Dip it into egg wash. I also added half teaspoon salt while beating the egg. Then mix the cut fries with breadcrumbs. And coat the cheese dog with these fries. Coat it properly because the cheese inside might ooze out while frying. Fry it from all the sides until it's golden brown. For garnish, I'm going to drizzle it with tomato sauce and mustard sauce. Let's see the cheese pull now. Wow, that was amazing. And the taste, it is so good and something very different than a regular corn dog. The chicken sausage is tasting very good with the cheese and fries. The fries made it super crispy from the outside and the cheese gave it a nice creaminess, and the sauce also complements the entire cheese corn dog very well. Definitely give it a try. It is very easy and very delicious. This hack is successful. The next hack, I don't remember who sent it, but I have a screenshot and I guess they deactivated their account. So just showing Instagram user. But if you sent me the hack, definitely comment down below. This hack was quite trending on Instagram where they mixed ice cream with Coca-Cola. And I feel it's very common here because we also get Coke float in McDonald's. So I thought of trying something different. In a glass, I'm adding Fanta. To that, I'm adding 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Sadly, again, Fanta and soft serve ice cream delivery was unavailable in McDonald's because of heavy rains. So I'm using what I had ghar pe. Mix it properly. And you can look at this face forming on the top. It's crazy. Let's taste it now. Wow, that is so refreshing. Actually, I never had orange milkshake. I don't know if it exists, but I feel this is exactly like orange milkshake. It's extremely creamy and it feels very exotic for some reason. Honestly, it's better than the Coke float. I absolutely loved it and this hack was a success. This hack is sent by Dhriti. So the McDonald's near me didn't have vanilla milkshake, nor did they have espresso. So I'm making my own. For making the milkshake, I'm adding 3 big scoops of vanilla ice cream, half cup of chilled milk and half teaspoon vanilla essence in a blender and then blend it into smooth consistency. You can also add 1/4 cup of ice, but I'm going to skip it. Then add the milkshake in a glass. To that I'm adding 1 shot of espresso, that is 1.5 teaspoon coffee powder with 60 ml of water. Mix it and let's taste it now. It's a very quick and kind of basic drink recipe, but surprisingly it's really nice. I love vanilla, that too with coffee. It's amazing. It has the perfect amount of sweetness and the coffee is giving a nice kick. It's tasting like a cold vanilla latte, which is really nice. This combination definitely works and it was a success. The next hack is sent by Click and Blink. This is similar to the second cheese corn dog hack, but it's with cornmeal dough. So I freeze 1 regular McDonald's fries for 1 hour, then cut it into small cubes. Again, add a skewer stick to the chicken sausage. Dip it into a thin consistency of cornmeal dough. The recipe link is in the description box below. I also added a bit of pepper for some spice. Now coat the corn dog with the cut frozen fries, coat it properly and freeze it again for 10 minutes. Now fry it from all the sides until it's nice and golden brown. Again, for serving I'm going to drizzle ketchup and mustard sauce. It looks quite decent. Let's taste it. The taste is also okay. The fries are giving a nice crispiness, but it's like a regular breadcrumb corn dog. I like the cheese one way better. Though it's nice, the cornmeal batter is super airy and very soft from the inside. The sausage goes well with the fries. It definitely works, so the hack was a success. The next hack is sent by Niharika Yadav. I have 1 medium fries, again from McDonald's. To that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of seasoned all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1 beaten egg. Mix it all together. Then add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Again, the breadcrumbs I'm using is seasoned with salt and black pepper powder. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. Then deep fry it till it's golden brown. Flip it midway and remove it on a wire rack. Let's see how it looks and let's taste it. That is super soft. The edges of these fries are crispy, but the center is very soggy. It's also very dry even with the sauce. Honestly, I'm not a fan. I love to eat fries, but the double fried fries are not good. It's very oily and it's hurting my throat, and the taste is also not worth it. I wish it had some spice or even cheese would do. It would make it really nice. I wouldn't try it again. Actually, I didn't like it at all. So for me, this hack was busted. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to everyone who sent me today's video. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.